You know that gut feeling when your kid used to sprint to the door for recess and now they barely get off the couch? That drop in spark is not always just a phase. Hi, I'm Fatima, a child and adolescent psychologist. Today we are unpacking what depression can look like from infancy through age 18 and exactly what parents and caregivers can do, day to day, to help. No jargon, no fluff, just practical steps you can use tonight. Take 10 seconds and name one small change you have noticed in your child over the last month. Say it out loud. Depression in kids often hides. Toddlers can show irritability. School-age kids might complain of tummy aches. Teens might withdraw or act out. Left unrecognized, depression gets worse. But evidence shows something powerful. Consistent, warm, practical parenting, plus the right professional support changes outcomes. You are the single biggest protective factor for your child. Think about your home routine. Rate it from 1 to 5 for predictability. Be honest. Infants and toddlers may be unusually clingy, less playful, or have feeding and sleep changes. Preschoolers might have intense tantrums, withdrawn play, or persistent sadness. Elementary-age kids show persistent irritability, withdrawal from friends, drop-in school performance, or repeated physical complaints without a medical cause. Teenagers can show sadness, hopelessness, risk-taking, substance use, self-harm, or talk about not wanting to be alive. Irritability can be a core sign at every age. Sleep, appetite, concentration, and energy level shifts are red flags across the board. If your child is school age or older, list one recent change in school or friendships. Keep it short. Risk factors you can't always control include a family history of depression, traumatic events, and chronic stress like financial strain. Protective factors you can strengthen right now include stable routines, warm attunement, positive daily interactions, supportive relationships, and teaching coping skills. In short, lower stress at home, more positive connection, and stronger coping equals resilience. Say one thing you will do this week to create a more predictable routine at home. Be the steady anchor. Young kids cannot name complex feelings, so your job is to name feelings for them and coach calming. Use short, simple phrases. I see you are sad. I am here. Help regulation with consistent sleep and meals, a calm daily routine, soothing rituals before bed, and plenty of one-on-one play. Use play to let them show feelings. Praise effort and bravery. If problems persist, talk to your pediatrician and ask about parent-child therapies that teach you emotion coaching. For the next 2 days, add one extra 5-minute playtime session with your child and notice their mood afterward. Children at this age respond to structure and coaching. Keep routines for homework, meals, and sleep. Create small, predictable wins. Teach problem solving by breaking tasks into tiny steps. Help them reconnect with friends by arranging low-pressure social time. Use active listening. Reflect feelings back and avoid quick fixes. Reduce screen time before bed and encourage physical activity. If school is slipping, partner with teachers and counselors early. They often have on-site supports. This week, ask your child to name one thing that helped them feel better in the past and try to do that activity together. Before we continue, make sure to like this video. And if you want a complete parenting guide for every age, check out the playlist I've pinned. Everything is organized age by age. Now, let's get back to the video. With teens, respect is currency. Ask open questions and listen without lecturing. Offer choices and collaborate on plans. Model healthy coping by openly naming your feelings and showing how you manage them. Keep shared rituals like family meals, even if it feels awkward. Know the danger signs. Talk of suicide, self-harm, dramatic mood change, or increased substance use require immediate professional help. Therapy options like cognitive behavioral therapy and interpersonal therapy work well, and family therapy can strengthen support. Medication may be appropriate in moderate to severe cases, but only under specialist supervision and always combined with therapy. If you have a teen, Ask them one open question today. How are you holding up? Listen for 1 minute without responding. Name the feeling, validate it, and then offer a small next step. For example, say, I hear you. That sounds really hard. Would you like to sit with me or take a walk? Avoid dismissing phrases like just cheer up or stop being dramatic. For younger children, use play and simple breathing games. For older kids, show curiosity and follow their lead while offering clear support. Remember, validation does not mean agreement. It means helping your child feel seen so they are more open to solutions. Try this. Next time your child shares something small, reflect it back. Use the phrase, "It sounds like you felt X when Y happened." Teach micro skills you can repeat until they stick. Breathing techniques, short mindfulness exercises, and self-talk scripts help. Break big tasks into bite-sized pieces. Create a calm toolkit together. A favorite book, a playlist, a sensory object, a 5-minute breathing routine. Practice those skills when everyone is calm so they are easier to use under stress. Take 1 minute to practice a breathing exercise with your child or alone. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 5. Your mental health matters. Kids pick up on parental anxiety and depression. If you are struggling, get help. Parents who are supported parent better. Keep family meals, avoid exposing children to adult conflicts, and coordinate parenting across caregivers so messages stay consistent. Bring in extended family and community mentors. A strong network reduces isolation for both child and parent. Name one trusted adult besides yourself who your child could turn to and make a plan to connect them. If symptoms last more than a few weeks, get worse. Or if there are safety concerns, consult your pediatrician or a mental health specialist. Evidence-based therapies include child-focused CBT, interpersonal therapy, play therapy for younger kids, and family therapy. Medication is sometimes used for children and adolescents for moderate to severe depression, but only under specialist guidance and with close monitoring for side effects. Schools can be allies. Invite the school counselor into a plan. If your child mentions suicide or self-harm, take it seriously and seek immediate help. If you suspect professional help is needed, call your pediatrician or the local child mental health clinic now and book an appointment. When your child is down, use short, clear lines. I see you are hurting. I am worried and I want to help. You are not alone in this. We will find help together. That sounds really hard. What would help right now? I am proud of you for telling me. That took courage. These short scripts create safety and keep conversation open. 1. Set a predictable daily routine for sleep, meals, and activity. 2. Schedule 10 minutes of focused play or talk time each day. 3. Limit screens before bed. 4. Involve school staff early if you see academic or social changes. 5. Teach one new coping skill and practice it daily. 6. Prioritize your own mental health and model healthy coping. You started this video worried, and that is okay. Parents are human, and parenting through child depression is hard. But you have power. Small, consistent steps create change. Name feelings, build routine, coach regulation, involve school, get professional help when needed, and take care of yourself. Over time, your steady presence rebuilds your child's sense of safety and hope. Commit to one concrete change for this week from the checklist and say it out loud now. If you want a downloadable one-page checklist or exact phrasing templates for hard conversations, head to our Telegram channel and download it there. You do not have to carry this alone, and you are not failing by asking for help. Thank you for showing up for your child today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Stay tuned for more practical tips, expert advice, and real conversations that can make a difference in your child's mental health journey. Together, we can create a supportive, loving environment for our kids to thrive. See you in the next video.